Hi everybody, I'm Lenny Hall, owner of Endurance Floor Company. I'm a regional instructor for the National Wood Flooring Association, and you know me online as the American Parketer. I'm here in Kansas City at SVB Wood Floors doing an Intermediate Installation School for the National Wood Flooring Association.
Really our focus this week is all about nail-in installation, glue down, floating floors, borders, repairs, really everything from front to back. We've got 6 different panels we've all been working on. One of the great things this week is really the networking aspect of this school. Some of these guys we've known for years, some new faces on scene as well. Really just raising the bar, sharing ideas, and making sure our skills are all up to par and beyond.
Hey, what's up guys? My name's Nick. I'm with SVB Wood Floors. So far what I've enjoyed most is learning a trammel point system and getting a very precise layout for detail-oriented work. That's really going to help me in my career out in the field. We're learning a lot from Lenny Hall. Big thank you to him for coming out. Shout out to Tata Floors, Apex, and all the others who have attended. We had a real good turnout.
It's really cool to finally host a school here today. We spent a lot of time developing this facility to better educate our staff and our employees and all of our team members. We've got several companies from Kansas City. We even have companies that came all the way down from Chicago. We're learning things that you don't necessarily always think about. And it's really cool and an exciting time, and I'm just happy to be a part of it.
If you've never had a chance to come out and go to an install school, I highly recommend it. Even if you've been doing this for years, we have lots of guys who have found that 1 or 2 little things that they can pick up and apply to everything that they do.
The special thing about Intermediate Installation Schools is that they also segue into the 4th day for those who are going to be certified trained, and that is what we do, a certification testing hands-on, where the students will go through the 5 points for installation certification.
Regardless if you're new to the industry or you've been in the hardwood flooring world for a lot of years, it's really important to continue that education. I encourage you to jump online, take a peek at NWFA's website for all of the local upcoming training opportunities for you, with a lot of those being at headquarters in St. Louis, Missouri.